Coulomb's law. We know that if two like charges brought together means any two positive charges or any two negative charges brought together, they repel each other because of the repulsion force between the two charges. If we brought two unlike charges together, then they attract each other due to the force of attraction between them. If we brought any two charges together, there will be a force of attraction or force of repulsion in between them. Using Coulomb's law, we can calculate the force between the 2 point charges. Consider a metallic sphere Q1 with 5 positive charges and another metallic sphere Q2 with 5 positive charges, and the distance between these two spheres will be r. As the charges in the sphere Q1 increases, the force between the two spheres also increases. The charges in the sphere Q2 increases, the force between the two spheres also increases. Increase in number of charges in Q1 leads to increase in force. Similarly, as the charges in Q2 increases, it leads to increase in force. So, we can conclude that force F is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. Let R be the distance between the two metallic spheres Q1 and Q2. As the distance between the two metallic spheres decreases, the force between the two spheres increases. So, force F is inversely proportional to square of the distance between the two metallic spheres, that is R square. Coulomb measured the force between 2 point charges and found that it varied inversely as the square of the distance between the charges and was directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the two charges and acted along the line joining the two charges. It means Coulomb found that the force is varying or changing inversely as the square of the distance between the two charges. It means as the distance between the 2 point charges varies, the force also varies inversely as the square of the distance between the charges, that is R square. And the next part, force was directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the two charges. Here we are considering the magnitude of two charges. The force is directly proportional to the product of the two charges magnitude, and this force is always along the line joining the two charges. From these two equations, we can write force is proportional to magnitude of Q1, Q2 divided by R square. To remove proportional symbol, we have to introduce constant K. And the value of the K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. And the epsilon naught is called the permittivity of free space.